Everybody, this is Gerard Braud. Welcome to this edition of the Broadcast, where we give you bite-sized bits of best practices to help you be a better leader and a more effective communicator. Today, our tip is how can you learn more about the 5 steps to effective crisis communications? And the answer is join me in Baton Rouge, Louisiana on November 7th. I often get people asking, hey, how can I learn about this stuff? Do you have any public workshops coming up? And so much of what I do is internal training at corporations. But every now and then I work with a great association who wants a day-long workshop for their members and guests of their members. So the Louisiana Hospital Association has set aside November 7th, 2019 as a day where they want all of their members and those of you who are in public relations and administration who, whether you work at a hospital or not, want to learn more about the 5 steps to effective crisis communications. We're going to teach you about vulnerability assessments, about writing crisis communications plans that actually work, not just a piece of paper, something that's functional. We're going to teach you the art of writing pre-written news releases. Many people struggle with the concept of getting pre-written news releases correct. Then, in the afternoon, we are going to dig in on not just normal media training, but a focus on media training for mobile. This is the first time I'm teaching the media training for mobile class in a public setting, so you don't want to miss it. We're going to wrap up the day with step 5 of the 5 steps to effective crisis communications, which is how to use all of the first 4 steps effectively in a crisis communications drill. You can sign up with the link on the blog and the link below at the Louisiana Hospital Association. So if you are in risk management, if you're in emergency preparedness and incident command, if you're a hospital administrator, if you are in public relations, and whether you're in public relations or another industry, these 5 steps to effective crisis communications are yours when you join me in Baton Rouge, Louisiana on November 7th. This is Gerard Braud. I hope to see you then.